All right.
Is this okay that I'm doing this? Okay. This is my first ice bath. It was my very first ice bath. It's my very first one. Just wanted to experience something different.
This is one of my biggest fears.
It was probably one of the hardest things, but one of the most fun things that I've done recently.
Today I was standing out there and I was like almost in tears, like, oh my God, I can't do this. Like I was about to cry.
It's a little intimidating, but we got in there and at first I was like, oh no.
Like I felt like my body went into shock and I almost couldn't breathe, but I was breathing really fast, and then I was clutching onto his hand and the guy next to me. At first, it's like, oh my God, I can't do this.
Like so many moments where I was like, I can't.
When you first get in, it's like your body is fighting it and you want to get out.
Don't fight it, you surrender to it. That key word is surrender, and you will overcome it.
That initial shock to the system, like about 5-10 seconds in, as soon as you get that big exhale, your exhale really does facilitate like a warming sensation through your body.
I found my breath and just kind of just melted into the ice.
After you do the technique and you're breathing a lot, you sink down into it, you relax, you're calm, and then it's like a normal bath.
You're sitting in there and you're realizing, I guess it's just the atmosphere too, like you can do it. Yeah, it is possible.
The power of the mind is so incredible. Don't underestimate your own mental capacity.
I couldn't believe I did it. And then I got out and I said, wow, this wasn't so bad.
Now I'm kind of warm. Now my scarf is like bothering me.
It felt like taking 10 cups of coffee at one time. It felt just totally invigorating.
It works. It does. Man, I'm feeling good.
That was insane. That felt so good. Woo, I'm alive.
I'll do it again. Yeah, in the summer.
Summer. Don't let me do it in the winter.
It was pretty awesome to be with so many bodies. I've only done it with a few people, so it was cool to have like the collective energy.
It's so freaking fun to do it with other people. I was so proud of everybody. I did it by myself forever, and doing people just like, woo, let's go, hoo, ha. It's so good, you know, man. There's so many people around, and just like get an ice bath with people. I want to do it with people so badly, and just like pump each other up. It's great doing it by myself, but having other people there and seeing Wim's energy, seeing everyone's energy was just on point. Let's go, woo, yeah.